everyone, welcome back to Lena M Budgets. My name is Lena. Today we're going to be cash stuffing a total of $275 into my weekly cash envelopes and my sinking funds. I also have some coins we're going to deposit into our spare change jar and my quarter challenge. And then we're going to be adding in some money into our 1K subscriber giveaway box. Please don't pay too much attention to my nails. I have to get them done soon, so please disregard that. I'm trying to grow it out, and each time I do, it always cracks. So if it does look unprofessional right now, please forgive me. But today we're going to be cash stuffing our envelopes. I did take a while because I had some things going on, but I will be going it over with you guys. So right now we're going to count the money and make sure we have it. So we have $275. I have my denominations out, which is 150. I have 6 20s, 8 10s, and 5 5s. So in total, we have 275. So just to be sure, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 255, 260, 265, 270, and 275. Okay, guys. So now we're going to first putting in our coins. I'm going to add in my quarters first. Let's set this aside here, and I want to show off my quarter challenge. I am keeping it up to date. I'm always adding quarters. As you can see, it's getting pretty full, almost to that second line right there, if you guys can see it. And I'm being very consistent with that. So I don't have a lot of quarters, but I've been adding all of my quarters in, and I've been using cash mostly lately, and this is what I have so far. So your girl's keeping up with it. Okay, so I'm going to start adding into my spirit change jar, and we currently have a total of $47.67. To me, I have a little more, but this is what it says right now. But I will definitely give you guys the update and how much I actually have in here. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so according to this is $48.46. I did add a few of them, which they didn't account for, but I will let you know how much I have in here. So we're done with that. And now we're going to dive into our 1K subscriber giveaway box. And I've been out for a while, so I'm going to actually add $40 in. Okay. Okay, guys, we're done with that. So I'm going to be diving into the weekly cash envelopes, and for my first envelope, it's going to be groceries. I did get I guess the little card that they send for the kids when they go back to school. I guess basically the food stamps card. I got some of that, so right now I'm just going to be building up my grocery envelope, and I'll just be using that for the little that they sent me. Basically sending everyone, but that's what I'm going to be using for now. For dining out, I'm not going to add anything. For house, we're just going to add 10. I did get a few things as far as toilet paper. I had gotten, I believe, dish soap, bath soap, hand soap, all of that good stuff. So I am fully stocked on things right now. So that's why we're just adding 10. For gas, I'm going to add 20. Hope we have you guys an amazing week. Laundry is just going to get 10. Tithe for today is not going to get anything, and I'm just going to add 25 for Capital One. Okay guys, so we're done with our cash envelopes. It's gonna be a pretty quick video. Just wanted to make sure to get this in and start cash stuffing as much as I can. Um, whatever amount is good enough. So this is what I'm gonna be adding in today. Me time is going to get 5. I'm not gonna be stuffing all of the envelopes, guys. Just what I feel is most important. The kiddos, they're gonna get 10. Hubby, he's going to get his 5 as well. Parents is going to get 5. Car maintenance is going to get 20. I actually did get this done. I got the coolants change in my car, and I also got the oil change. Now I have to get the filters for the engine and for the air, and I also have to get transmission fluid. That's it. So that's going to run me a little over $300. So, but at least I got both those done already just recently. Personal is going to get its usual 10. Taxes is not getting anything, and AAA, I'm going to add 20, 30, 35 for AAA. Okay, so since we have $30, I'm just going to go back and just add in what I think beauty is going to get. Clothes is going to get its 10. And for car maintenance, I'm just going to add in the 10. So we have $30 for car maintenance. Hey guys, so I've been out because I had to actually get a new AC in my house. Florida weather is no joke, and it wasn't running as smoothly as I thought it was. So right now we just got a new AC from the landlord, and unfortunately my rent went up. So that I've been trying to deal with, as well as the car situation where I had to change the coolants because they had let me know that it was something I had to change or if it was going to become a problem afterwards. And I am going to be moving soon because of the rent increase. I'm just going to be moving in with some family and then try to save up from there, and it'll be much easier to do the videos. But I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Thank you so much for giving this video a like and my other videos as well. Thank you so much for being so supportive and for subscribing. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button if you did like the video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.